Orca is eating everything. He is so big now that even the salmon cannot swim through the basin. And if they do not return, then we will need to find another home to settle.
Did you hear that, Casey?
I sure did, Amy. The chief said the whale is eating all the salmon.
And if the whale eats all the fish, the village will have to move away.
Let's learn a little bit about salmon. Salmon symbolize the bringer of new life in West Coast culture. They are also one of the biggest sources of food for the West Coast people. Some cultures believe that if you return the salmon bones back to the river, they'll become new salmon again. And when they return, they'll come back in greater numbers. Let's get back to the story.
If the whale eats all the fish, the village will have to move away.
That's right, Theodore. We need a plan to move the whale, guys.
What's your idea, Amy? Just ask the whale to leave? Look at how big he is. He looks like he's stuck in the bay.
I know. Let's go talk to the whale.
I've never talked to a whale. What if he eats us?
Whales don't eat people, Theodore. Let's learn a little bit about orcas. On their backs, they have a fin called a dorsal fin. It helps them move in the water like this for hunting, just like a shark. Orcas breathe by taking a deep breath through their blowhole before they go underwater. That's how they breathe out. Orcas represent family in Cowichan culture. They travel together in groups called pods. The traditional color is black and red. The black color comes from charcoal on the totem poles, and the red from berry dyes. Orcas also symbolize travelers, as they travel great distances, all the way from the Pacific Ocean to the freezing waters of the Arctic. Let's get back to the story. Whales don't eat people, Theodore.
You're scared of everything, Theodore.
No, I'm not.
Let's just stick to the plan, guys.
Are we there yet?
Wow, look at that! Dolphins! I love dolphins!
Me too.
Whatever.
There are a couple of dolphins, and you're a little kid. You've got your friends and adventure looking out for you. Come on over for dinner, we're having teriyaki squid. And for dessert, we'll make an ice cream sundae just for you. I'll tell you stories of our life underneath the sea. We'll tell you all about the orca and the salmon and the songs we sing. Let's learn a little bit about dolphins. Dolphins are one of the most playful mammals in our ocean. Some have almost 250 teeth. That's one big toothbrush, kids. They sure love to talk, too. Dolphins breathe out of the top of their head from this hole known as a blowhole. They're also highly intelligent. Try going up against one in a math test. Well, kids, we better get back to the story.
Guys, we better get going.
That's right. Thanks for reminding me, Casey.
He's humongous.
Who dares to disrupt my sleep? Come up here so I can see you.
Hello, Mr. Whale. My name is Amy. This is Casey and Theodore. We're here to help you get out of the bay.
Why would I need your help to do that?
Well, aren't you stuck, Mr. Whale? You've been here a long time.
Ha 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 ha. Stuck. I'm not stuck. I'm just having some breakfast.
Breakfast? But what about the village? Where's their share?
Yeah, they don't have any more fish to eat.
I don't care about those people. I can eat as much fish as I want.
Can't you share with the village?
Sharing.
Yeah, sharing. The villagers are leaving because you're eating all the fish.
So they are moving, are they? Well, I guess you better start packing with them.
We're in for a bumpy landing.
I told you we should have stayed away from that whale.
Hang on, guys! That beach is looking mighty close! The villagers are leaving because you're eating all the fish.
Well, I guess you better start packing with them.
We're in for a bumpy landing.
I told you we should have stayed away from that whale.
Hang on, guys! That beach is looking mighty close!
What? Where am I?
We're safe on land again, Theodore.
Where's Amy?
I'm right here. That was a cool ride.
What are we gonna do now? The whale's not stuck.
Yeah, and he doesn't want to share.
We have to come up with another plan.
We're probably gonna need some help, Amy.
Bingo! Let's ask Granny Louie.
Why, hello, children. I see you have a problem.
Yes, Granny. Orca was not stuck. He's just too greedy.
Yeah, he's really bad.
What do you think can be done?
I don't know, Granny. Can you help us? Orca's just way too big for us to move.
Yes, I think so, Amy. Legend tells us only the old man knows how to move something as big as Orca.
An old man?
Yes, an old man. Some say he has mystical powers, and he is as fast as the wind.
Cool! Where can we find him?
This map will help you find him. What you must do first, kids, is to find the river. It is very beautiful and colored bright blue. After you find the river, look for the bridge that will take you to the other side. Once you are across the bridge, look for the trail that will lead you to the old man.
Looks like a storm is coming.
Oh no! We better get cover.
Well, I guess you kids better put these on, because we're in for a mighty hike.
Holy! Are you the old man Granny told us to look for?
That's right. I've been watching you climb up my trail.
Can you help us move the whale from the bay? He's gonna eat all the salmon.
He sure doesn't look big enough to move a whale.
I can help you kids, but you'll have to follow me.
Where are we going?
We're going to the top of that mountain.
Holy! Do we have to go all the way to the top?
Oh, brother. This is taking forever. We'll never reach the top.
Do you think he fell asleep, Amy?
Oh man! I liked that hat!
What's happening, guys?
I don't know, Casey! But it doesn't seem to be over yet! Oh no! Oh man! I liked that hat!
What's happening, guys?
I don't know, Casey! But it doesn't seem to be over yet! Oh no!
Where'd he go?
I don't know, Theodore.
Old man! Old man!
Hey, I'm up here, kids.
Sounds just like the old man!
That's right. I am the old man. And I've turned into Thunderbird to help move the whale.
Let's learn a little bit about Thunderbird. The Thunderbird is a mighty bird. He possesses great power and strength. Maybe you would like to know how he got his name. When Thunderbird flaps his wings, he makes the sound of thunder. He can create a storm. And when he blinks his eyes, he can create lightning. The Cowichan people have used Thunderbird in their artwork to symbolize great power.
Hop on, children. Hang on.
You really are as fast as the wind.
Well, the wind gives me my speed.
Where are we headed?
We're going to move Orca out of the bay. There he is.
Ha! He doesn't look very big from up here.
Hey! Hey! me down. What are you doing?
I am removing you from this bay.
Oh no! My fish! My bay! Put me down.
No, Orca. Amy and her friends came to you and asked you to share the salmon with the villagers. Because you did not listen, and the village has gone hungry, you're being moved to another place. Hang on, everyone!
This is fun!
Woohoo! The best ride ever!
The villagers won't have to leave anymore.
What do you think, kids? Does this look like a good spot?
Well, I don't see a village around here.
Me neither.
I guess this will be the perfect spot. Should you ever return, Orca, you'd better be ready to share and rid yourself of your selfish ways. Hang on tight. We're going home. Thank you for all your bravery, children.
Bye, Thunderbird.
Till we meet again!
Let's go tell Granny the good news.
Well, it seems you have all learned a very valuable lesson today.
That was a great story, Granny. We even got to help Thunderbird move the greedy orca out of the bay, where he was eating all the fish.
Yeah, the Thunderbird was super cool.
We found the old man, but the old man's the Thunderbird.
I know the story.
Hey, look! It's Chief!
And Orca?
I am sorry, Chief. I was selfish. I did not share the salmon, even though there was plenty for myself and the village.
Thank you, Orca. From this day forward, we shall share these waters together, and none shall suffer from this hunger again.
The legend today, kids, comes from a people known as Cowichan. The Cowichan are located in Cowichan Bay on Vancouver Island. The people here are known for their great fishing abilities, but they are also known by their beautiful wool clothing, the Cowichan sweater. If you kids look closely, you'll see the Thunderbird and Orca design on this Cowichan sweater. Let's see what we learned today. Who did we meet today? That's right, the Cowichan. And what did they eat? That's right, salmon. And who was greedy, eating all the fish? That's right, Orca.
I can eat as much fish as I want right here in this little bay.
And who helped move Orca out of the bay? That's right, the old man and Thunderbird. And what's the most important thing we learned today?
From this day forward, we shall share these waters together, and none shall suffer from this hunger again.
That's right! Sharing! Remember to log on to www.amysmythicmornings.ca. If you've got a cookie and she's got none, how are you gonna eat it when there's only one? If we can share the planet, if we can share the sun, then let's share that cookie and we'll go and have some fun. Well, let's share that cookie and we'll go and have some fun. My grandma told me that if we care,